Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you this brand new vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Defender 110 HSE. The vehicle features a 3-litre D250 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Defender 110 is finished in the stunning Tasman blue exterior colouring. The vehicle sits on these 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss sparkle silver finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights. And at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located underneath the boot space we have extra storage capacity. And located on the left here we also have access to a 12-volt power outlet. On this control panel here we have the ability to access our electrically deployable tow bar. And now moving on into the rear seats of the vehicle. Now straight away on these air vents here we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle, and located just below that we have access to 2 USB-C charging points. The seats themselves are composed of this ebony leather. We also have a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. And the vehicle is also equipped with these rear ISOFIX points, available for any younger companions joining you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, our colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous ebony leather seats. Now these seats are electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available. They're also heated and cooled, and even feature a memory function so that the driver and passenger can always resume the perfect travelling position. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, on the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control, speed limiter and heated steering wheel controls. Now this Land Rover Defender 110 has only done 7 miles, however this can be subject to change due to test drives. We also have multiple driver displays to choose from, including navigation, media, trip summary, 4x4 information, driver assistance, clock, and the ability to turn it off for anyone who might find this distracting. Now taking a look at our colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. The vehicle is also equipped with a 3D surround camera system, which is a great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. By clicking on seats we can access the temperature for our heated and cooled front seat controls. This vehicle is also equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. By clicking on 4x4 information we can access key information to have when taking the vehicle off-roading. We also have easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is another great feature to have when trying to fit your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. Now the vehicle is also equipped with an electrically deployable tow bar, making this vehicle perfectly suitable for carrying trailers, boats or maybe even jet skis. At a click of a button we can also access the vehicle's terrain response system, which also offers you multiple different programs to suit the terrain that you are driving on. Now taking a look at our climate control system, as you can see the climate controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. Once again at a click of a button we can adjust the temperature on our heated and cooled front seats, ensuring that everyone can travel at the perfect temperature. Now this Defender 110 is also equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature for sunny days or summer drives, as not only does it allow plenty of daylight into the vehicle, but also plenty of fresh air, creating a nice light open feel.
This vehicle comes with 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 017 858 99446 or inquire online now.